आदाब, वन टीवी में आपका इस्तकबाल है। मैं नाज़िल सिद्दीक। आज देखेंगे खास खबर में प्रिंस तुर्की अल-फैसल जो कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट के एम्बेसडर और सऊदी अरेबिया के पिछले इंटेलिजेंस सरबराह थे, उन्होंने हमास के फाइनेंशियल मदद पर इजहार शक किया, जो कि कुछ लोगों के लिए एक आतंकवादी तंजीम के तौर पर तस्वुर की जाती है। इसमें इजराइल भी शामिल है। उन्होंने तालिब किया कि हमास को मदद करने वालों को जिम्मेदार ठहराया जाए। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि इजराइल हमास को अपने फ़ायदे के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। प्रिंस तुर्की अल-फैसल ने यह भी कहा कि फ़िलिस्तीन के लंबे अरसे तक मसले को हल करने के लिए यूनाइटेड नेशन रेजोल्यूशंस और जनरल असेंबली और सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल रेजोल्यूशन के अमल पर पेश आने की ज़रूरत है।
To me, it's mind-boggling that there be such an unfair treatment meted out at the Palestinian people who have been suffering, as I said, from 1948 and since the Israeli occupation of the West Bank and Gaza continue to suffer. Daily killings, home destructions, uprooting olive trees, targeted killings, all of that. Concentration camps where Palestinians are incarcerated without legal recourse. All of that is in everybody's eyes, under everybody's nose. And yet leaders will deal with Israel as they see fit. So I can't comment on what motivates President Biden to go there or what he will say. Well, we'll have to wait and see. And it is not just the Muslim world. I hope it's the whole world. Even in this country, we've heard voices of opposition to what is happening to the Palestinian people. In other countries in Europe and elsewhere, there is a popular demand that justice be done for the Palestinians. This is new and this is good, but it is not enough. Well, how proportionate can you be with a bomb that kills 200 people with a rifle that kills maybe 20 people? For me, one life is worth not killing. There is a verse in the Quran, if you kill one innocent person, it's like killing all of mankind. And this was addressed to the Israeli people by God when he was dealing with them in previous times. So that is the value of life. So what is proportionate? Is it 1 to 10? Is it 2 to 20? Is it 1,000 to 10,000? Loss of life is loss of life. I think you must distinguish by what you mean by Gulf leaders. I think the kingdom's position has been very clear, stated to Mr. Blinken when he was there. Not only is this not acceptable, but things are going to happen that are not going to be happy for anybody as a result of the Israeli aggression against the Palestinian people, no matter how much they justify it with Hamas's actions. I'm no friend of Hamas, but on the other hand, look at the background. 3/4 of a century of persecution of the Palestinians by the Israelis, and nobody takes any action against that. So something must be done. I'm not in government, so I cannot tell you what Saudi Arabia is thinking about.